Hello dear candidates, welcome to your speaking test. We're trying to simulate what a speaking test look like in our classroom. So we'll start by, may I know your name please?
Absolutely. My name is Umemurio Momi. Family and friends are call me Momi, so you can call me Momi.
Okay, Mrs. Momi. What happens in our speaking test, they ask you for your identification. So as this is not a real test, I'm not going to ask you for that. We'll jump straight into our questions, okay? The first question I want to ask, do you like to have flowers in your home?
Yes, in my home I like to flowers because it makes me happy and looks like very good, nice. In my bedroom, there are many indoor plants and flowers and also artificial flowers in my room. I think it looks very precious.
Okay, where do you buy your flowers from?
Most of the time, my husband give me flower, but when I decorate my home,
Okay. On what occasion would you give flower to someone?
especially Valentine Day, I give my husband flower, and he also gave me flower. Also, I give my mother flower bouquet.
Okay. And what kind of flowers do you like to receive?
Rajaniগন্ধা.
Okay. Are flowers important in your culture?
Definitely, it's very important because we are Bengali women. It's helped me when we get ready to the festivals. We wear flower.
Okay. This was the end of your part one. Now I'm going to hand you a cue card. Then you have 1 minute time to take preparation on that cue card. Then you may speak for 1 to 2 minutes. I'm not seeing anyone taking notes. Please take notes. Okay, this is your cue card, and this is where you write. 1 minute time. Okay, your time's up. You may speak now. Thank you.
Okay, 3 or 2 months ago, Talent Hut held a meeting for students, and we are going to a place, and they are arranged many type of activities for students, like our study topic, then our activities, and they arranged meal.
Okay, thank you. The next question that I want to ask you that what are the different type of meeting that people often go to? I told you.
Family program.
Yes, this is
family
one.
meeting.
Yes.
And special occasion, their family members are joined in a meeting and they discuss any type of problem.
Okay, that is the end of your test.
Right.
Thank you for being with us.